Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of more videos. Hit the notification button. And today I am home and I wanted to make a juice for myself. And I decided to make a recipe that's considered a good fall recipe. And this recipe, the ingredients that I'm putting in this juice, I'm using the Nama J2 juicer. And today I'm going to use some kale, some lemon, and I was in the mood for some grapes, so I'm going to use some grapes. And I'm using some ginger and some romaine lettuce as well. Okay, and so remember to follow your manufacturer's instructions for your juicer that you're using, your manufacturer's instructions. And in this juicer, you have to put the soft ingredients in first. So I'm going to take, well, the romaine is probably softer than the grapes, but okay, let's put some grapes in. And remember, I will put the recipe in the description, of course. And I'm going to take some of the grapes. Take about a cup of the grapes. And I'm going to take some of the kale. Oh, I should have put the romaine lettuce. Okay, put some romaine, taking the lemon and the ginger. I love ginger. I'll put some more romaine, some more kale. We'll probably just do this twice. Okay, so now we are going to juice this up, okay? Okay, so now we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna add some more kale and some more grapes. And the more you get into juicing, the more you are going to be able to eyeball and understand what interests you and what you like. Okay, so let's juice this last batch of kale and grapes up. Alright, Divines. So we're going to test this lovely juice. And again, we have grape, we have ginger, we have kale, we have lemon, okay? And we have romaine lettuce. We can't forget that. And this is definitely lovely for the fall, okay? So let's try it. And you know, I strained it. So remember to strain your juice if that is your preference. I don't always strain, but sometimes I do. And of course, you can use some ice if you want. Whatever type of ice you want to use, you know, like if you infuse your ice, whatever you do, have fun. All right, so let's test. This is so good. I'm going to make a lot of this. I know Boopy would like this. The ginger. It's like you don't even notice the kale. And I'm not saying that's a good or bad thing. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I don't even know if I did a video already of this. But if I did, this is re-upload worthy, okay? So with that being said, Divines, I want you to enjoy this. This is a must-have drink, juice drink for the fall. This is good. This is smackalicious, okay? When I tell you at Montauk Avenue, when I say it's smackalicious, that means it's good. All right, Divines. Well, let me get back to my day, and I want you all to be well. Be true to yourself. Peace, Divines. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It is so good. Oh my God.